Hi and welcome to another Ben Golding guitar class. Today we're having a look at possibly the easiest Oasis song ever. It is the wonderful Live Forever. Okay, for this one the chords you will need are just G, you will need a D, you will need an A minor, you will need a C, you will need an E minor, and you will need an F. Okay, so as I always say, if any of those chords give you any problems, just try freezing the video and getting used to them. But assuming you're good to go, let's just crack straight on. The chord arrangements will come up on the screen, but let's just start with that awesome verse section. So get ready with the G and G now, A minor, and C and then a D, and back to G. Change the D, A minor, C and D, and back to E minor, change the D, A minor, F now, and then fade out, you got A minor, and then change to F, A minor, change to F now, A minor, and then change to F, A minor, and then change to F. Okay, there you go. It's as simple as that. A nice stripped down acoustic version of the wonderful Live Forever by Oasis. Okay, give it a try. It will sound excellent. Always good at open mic nights and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy, and see you again soon for more guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar.